Good day, sir. My name is Herati Managbanag, BSIT 3A, and this is my reflection in routers and routing basics. 1. What features do router and computers have in common? Routers are like small computers with a CPU and memory to deal with incoming and outgoing data. Different software such as DD, WRT can be loaded on the router, much like an operating system in a computer. 2. How do you configure Cisco and apply addresses? A basic router configuration should contain the following: router name, host name should be unique, banner. At a minimum, banner should warn against unauthorized use. Passwords, use strong passwords. Interface configurations, specify interface type, IP address and subnet mask. Describe purpose of interface. Issue no shutdown command. If this is real interface, issue clock the rate command. After entering the basic configuration, the following tasks should be completed. Verify basic configuration and router operations. Save the changes on the router. Configure devices and apply addresses. Verify basic router configuration. Issue the show running config command. Save the basic router configuration by issuing the copy running config startup config command. Additional commands that will enable you to further verify router configuration are show running config, displays configuration currently in RAM, show startup config, displays configuration file and VRAM, show IP route, displays routing table, show interfaces, displays all interface configurations, show IP int brief, displays abbreviated interface configuration information. 3. Can you describe the basic structure of routing table? Routing table is stored in RAM and contains information about directly connected networks. This occurs when a device is connected to another router interface. Remotely connected networks. This is a network that is not directly connected to a particular router. Detailed information about the networks include source of information, network address and subnet mask, and IP address of next hop router. 4. Can you describe in details how a router determines the best path and then switches a packet? A primary function of a router is to determine the best path to use to send packets. To determine the best path, the router searches its routing table for a network address that matches the destination IP address of the packet.